Why are you going to work in your pajamas?
I'm not going to work in my pajamas.
Then why are you carrying your work bag?
Because I'm going to work.
Look at yourself.
Oh no.
What happened?
I don't know. I woke up late and now my brain isn't working.
What time did you wake up?
7:30.
7:30?
Yes.
You normally get up at 6:30.
I know.
Why didn't the alarm wake you up?
It did.
Then why did you go back to sleep?
Because I thought I had another hour.
And?
I didn't.
So, you slept for another hour?
Apparently.
You must be joking.
I wish I was.
Have you had breakfast?
No.
Coffee?
No.
A shower?
Not yet.
So what have you actually done this morning?
I got dressed.
That's it?
Pretty much.
And now you're going to work?
That was the plan.
What time does work start?
8:30.
Look at the clock.
Oh no.
What?
It's 8:20.
Exactly.
I'm already late.
You're not just late, you haven't even had coffee.
That's the real emergency.
Forget the coffee. You need to leave.
Wait.
What now?
I still can't find my phone.
You're holding it.
Oh,
Seriously?
okay. Maybe I need coffee after all.
Maybe you need sleep?
I slept for 8 hours.
And somehow you're still tired.
That's my special talent.
Come on, get your shoes.
Wait, where are my keys?
Don't tell me you've lost those too.
I think I know where they are.
Where?
In the kitchen?
Why would your keys be in the kitchen?
I have no idea.
Let's go and find out.
And maybe I can have one quick coffee?
One quick coffee.
Thank you.
But if we're late, I'm blaming you.
Fair enough.
Come on.
I'm coming.
And this time, don't forget your bag.
My bag?
Yes, it's still on the bed.
Oh, come on.
Here we are.
I'm sure they're somewhere around here.
You said that 5 minutes ago.
I know.
Where did you last have your keys?
I honestly don't remember.
Think.
I had them yesterday evening.
And where did you put them?
I don't know. I was tired.
That seems to be your answer for everything this morning.
That's a good excuse.
No, it's not.
Wait,
What?
I remember. I put them on the kitchen table.
They're not on the table.
Maybe I moved them?
Why would you move them?
I have no idea.
Check beside the coffee machine.
Nothing.
The counter?
Nothing.
The fridge?
Wait,
What?
I found them.
Where?
In the fridge?
The fridge?
Yes.
Why are your keys in the fridge?
I have absolutely no idea.
Did you put them there?
Apparently.
You put your keys in the fridge?
I must have.
Were you making breakfast?
No.
Then why?
Can we talk about this later?
Yes, please.
At least we found them.
True.
Now we can leave.
Almost.
What now?
Do you have your wallet?
My wallet?
Yes.
I can't find it.
Where did you have it last?
I think it was in my jacket.
Which jacket?
The one I wore yesterday?
Where is it?
In the bedroom?
Of course it is.
I'll be right back.
Wait.
What?
Check your pockets first.
Why?
Because I have a feeling.
Oh,
What?
it's in my pocket.
Your wallet?
Yes?
You're unbelievable.
I'm having a difficult morning.
You're having a very difficult morning.
Can we finally leave now?
Almost.
What now?
You wanted coffee.
Yes.
You've got 2 minutes.
That's enough.
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
That sounds dangerous.
It'll be fine.
I hope so.
Why?
Because I have a feeling we're going to be late.
We're not going to be late.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
Okay, maybe we're going to be a little late.
You know what?
What?
We actually made it through the morning.
Barely.
But we made it.
That's true.
And you weren't even that late.
Only 20 minutes late.
20 minutes is still late.
I know.
At least nothing else went wrong.
Don't say that.
Why?
Because every time you say that, something happens.
You're being dramatic.
Am I?
Yes.
Okay.
So how was your day?
Long.
That bad?
Not bad. Just busy.
A lot of work.
Too much work.
You look tired.
I am tired.
You need to relax.
I need food first.
Good idea.
What are we having for dinner?
Wait,
What?
we have a problem.
What problem?
I forgot to go shopping.
You forgot?
Yes.
So what do we have at home?
I'm not sure.
That doesn't sound good.
I know.
Okay, let's order food.
Again?
Why not?
Because we ordered food yesterday.
Yesterday was different.
How?
Yesterday I was hungry.
And today?
Today, I'm extremely hungry.
That's not a good reason.
It's a very good reason.
Fine. What do you want?
Pizza.
Of course.
What?
You always choose pizza.
Because pizza never disappoints.
That's not true.
When has pizza disappointed you?
Last month.
Why?
You ate the last slice.
That wasn't the pizza's fault.
Maybe not.
So, pizza?
Maybe.
I'll take that as a yes.
You always do.
I know.
But before we order,
What?
check the fridge.
Why?
Because maybe there's something we can cook.
After everything today, you want me to check another fridge?
Yes.
I don't trust that fridge anymore.
Just look.
Fine.
Well?
Oh no.
What?
You're not gonna believe what I found.
Well?
Oh no.
What?
You're not gonna believe what I found.
What is it?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Absolutely nothing.
What do you mean?
The fridge is almost empty.
Almost?
Yes.
What's inside?
A bottle of water.
That's it?
And some old vegetables.
How old?
I don't want to know.
Then we definitely need to order food.
Finally.
But not pizza.
Why not?
Because we need something different.
Okay. What do you suggest?
Maybe burgers.
Burgers?
Yes.
You said pizza was unhealthy.
I said we needed something different.
That doesn't make burgers healthy.
I know.
So we agree?
Tonight, yes.
Great.
But tomorrow, we're going shopping.
Of course.
And we're making a list.
A list?
Yes.
Why?
Because this morning you forgot your phone, your keys, your wallet, and your bag.
I didn't forget my phone.
You were looking for it while holding it.
That's different.
How?
I was just checking.
Sure.
Okay, maybe I had a difficult morning.
A very difficult morning.
But I survived.
You did.
I'm still here.
That's true.
So what now?
We order dinner.
Then we relax.
Exactly.
That sounds perfect.
You know what?
What?
Even though the day started badly,
Yeah?
it wasn't that bad.
Because we fixed everything?
No,
Then why?
because we laughed about it.
That's true.
Sometimes a bad morning becomes a funny story later.
Especially when someone puts their keys in the fridge.
You're never going to forget that, are you?
Never.
Good.
Why?
Because next time you do something strange, I'll have proof.
Next time?
Yes.
You think there will be a next time?
I know there will be.
Fair enough.
Come on, let's order dinner.
And tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we go shopping.
With a list.
With a list.
Deal.
Deal.